Today we're going to demonstrate the Certified Vision Autopilot. Let's start by engaging the autopilot. You have two options when you engage the autopilot. You can do it by clicking the knob here on the front or by pushing the AP level button. Let's engage the autopilot using the knob. So we're going to click the knob. The autopilot engages and you'll see that it synchronizes to our current track and to our current vertical speed. If I want to change that selected track, I have several options or ways to do that. You can rotate the knob. Now we're doing a right turn. We're turning from 085, let's go to 180. So now the aircraft's going to make a right-hand turn to 180. Now let's say that we want to disconnect the autopilot. You can disconnect the autopilot with a simple click of the control wheel steering button, which is mounted on the yoke, or we can disengage the autopilot. Let's engage there with a push and hold for 2 seconds of the knob there on the front of the autopilot. Now we can also engage the autopilot, like I said earlier, by pushing the AP level button. So we're going to push the AP level button. Let's assume we're flying the aircraft into an unusual attitude at this point. Now let's push the AP level button. The autopilot's going to engage. It's going to go into zero bank and into zero vertical speed mode. Then here after about 8 or 10 seconds, it's going to drop out of bank mode into track select mode. It's going to synchronize to the current track you're going at that time. So imagine that you have made this left-hand deviation, we've corrected, and now we've synchronized to this new track here of 086. So maybe we've gotten ourselves into a little bit of trouble, so let's make a left-hand turn here. We're going to turn to north with a left-hand turn. Now we're turning to north.